first overdose that we've seen here recently. The hospital has seen an alarming rise in ODs over the past few months now.
We know who's responsible.
Right.
But until he's exposed, we're going to have to really focus on keeping our family safe. And I know that way he's on Jocelyn, having the driver around and security. But it keeps Trina safe, too. I hope that's not a problem.
Trina hasn't complained, and I'm grateful. She's doing well. I mean, after her father was killed, she was at her most vulnerable. But now, she's finally starting to, bounce back, Or maybe a better way to say it is rebuild.
You've raised a special young woman.
You haven't done so badly yourself.
Thanks.
General Hospital, Dr. Robinson. I'll alert the staff. Thank you. There's been an explosion at the floating rib.
Where the hell are you? Hey, whoa. Just wait for the first responders.
They're en route. We don't know how many people are trapped inside. This building could come down any minute. Were you in there?
No, I was driving on Maple. I heard the explosion.
I gotta get in there. Hello? Hey. Hold on. Your pulse is okay. Your breathing sounds okay. First responders are coming. Okay, you hold on.
I got you.
Cameron, please be careful with your leg.
I'm fine, okay? I'm fine. Please just go to Franco, okay? I'll look for Danny and Death.
Okay, I can't find Jason either.
I'll find Jason too, okay? Please just go to Franco.
Okay.
It's fine.
Franco.
Dev? Oh, Dev? Hey. God. Dev? Hey, buddy. Wake up. Hey. Dev, come on. Oh, wake up, bud. Hey.
It's all right. It's okay. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna make it, okay? You're gonna be okay.
What? Oh, where is it? Oh my God.